bearing my soul creation. Hi, creatives. It's Christine from Bearing My Soul Creations and the founder of Bearing My Soul Creatives, a private Facebook group for creative black women. And we are on day 2 of the BMSC 5-day calendar challenge. And I shared prompts yesterday that created images like this and this and this. But I would like to share one more idea for you. You see this image? This image was generated based on a title of a song, My Girl by the Temptations. And this image was created based on a song, Feeling Good by Nina Simone. And this one was created by a song, Reach Out, I'll Be There by the Four Tops. Now, of course, all of these images were inspired by Motown's greatest hits, so I decided to do a different type of calendar. I asked ChatGPT to provide me with 12 titles of songs by jazz artists, African American artists such as Coltrane and Miles Davis, then create images based on these titles. The images should be vibrant, abstract, surreal, airbrush, highly realistic, detailed, and in a rectangular format. And then it came back with this awesome list of songs and created the images based upon the song titles. Okay. So a lot of these images came back really nice. I really like some of them. Some of them I had to regenerate. Some of the prompts you can work with. You can change it up so that it meets your needs. So that's the whole idea, is to get a prompt that you can probably work with and then change it around to fit your needs. Now, what I love about this is that you can have a different genre of music for each month in your calendar. And then you can create a playlist in iTunes and share that playlist with your customers by adding a QR code to the calendar. All right, y'all, that's it for me. But if you would like to join the BMSC 5-day calendar challenge, we are making up to 5 calendars in Canva and uploading them to lulu.com. And you can, of course, print them out at a local printing company if you so choose to do so. So today we're going to continue to create images, and then Wednesday and Thursday we're going to design the calendars in Canva. Friday, we're going to upload the calendars into lulu.com. We'll have a Zoom working session at 7 p.m. so that we can work this thing out together. So don't forget to join the Bearing My Soul Creators Facebook group. Thank you. Bye.